You are now watching Darren Pawi Extra. Hi there, how are you? Most of you will notice one of my favorite content is about beauty, also known as self-care. This episode, I would like to share my impression and experience of getting my lashes done. Well, it will be fun since I documented the entire process and my weekly adventure with them. Plus, I will share how I wash them or how I take care of them to make them last. Are we all set? Let me remind you. First, you have to trust your esthetician. Explain your dream lashes to make sure you guys are on the same page. Number 2, sit back and relax because it takes 2 to 3 hours to complete the entire procedure. You can take cat naps too. Number 3, enjoy the process. You will be surprised after. If you're wondering about the cost, the price range is from $100 to $200 for a full set. Mine, I had the cat eyelashes. And then there will be maintenance for refills, which costs $55 to $65. Is it painful? No. And it's actually safe. The biggest question might be, how long do eyelashes last? Well, maybe it depends on how you take care of them. Mine, it did last for 2 months, 8 weeks, but mostly 6 to 8 weeks. By the way, since each lash extension is attached to a single type of lash, they will fall out naturally along it with the natural growth cycle of each lash. In short, yes, it's like a hair fall. So touch-up recommendation is every 3 to 4 weeks. Another, sometimes or always, if you rub your eyes, your lashes might fall out. So try not to touch your eyes. And my best tip is, do not wash your lashes for 48 hours. Yes, this is the critical stage because water can weaken the adhesive before the lashes sets. You might also wondering if you can still wear the lashes with mascara. Yes, but I don't suggest this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it.
Okay, we're done.
Can I have this forever? See, it's so nice.
Okay, close it real quick. And now I'll show you your before and after. You could probably post it too.
Okay.
Keep them closed. Okay, now set up.
Oh my god. It's so pretty. I like it. No, I love them.
Look that way. And just hold
Straight.
Yep.
What do you call this?
What? The style?
Yeah,
Cat eye.
cat eye. Just cat eye?
Yeah.
So nice. Okay, first day. Ayan. First day, maayos, ganda, oh. So, nag-alis lang tayo ng mga sumpa sa mata. And no wash for 48 hours. Sana, yun lang yung feeling na parang ang bigat-bigat na hindi yung totally na nawawash yung buong face. Nakasama yung eyes. Kaya sana mag-last. And yan, see? Kahit hindi na tayo mag-brows, meron naman tayong lashes. Beautiful lashes. Pahinga din. Pag-wait. Okay, day 2. So, parang more or less, papunta na tayo sa 48 hours. And sobrang excited na ako at gustong-gusto ko nang i-wash itong mga aking sisters, yung aking mga pilikmata. Yan, tawag natin mga sis. And, gamit ko pala, highly recommend daw yung mga, syempre mga mild, mga gentle na products. So, naisipan, or nasuggest nga na lang gumawa ng mga lashes ko ay gamitin ko yung mga baby products. Tapos, mas okay nga daw if foamy, basta foam yung kapag pinump mo, foam yung lalabas. Tapos, yun, kaka-google. At ang top search na pwedeng gamitin ay ang Mustela. So, ayan. Try natin, guys. Kung effective. And, tara, try natin. First time kong iwawash. So, tignan natin kung may malalagas. Hugas mo na ng kamay. Ang lamig ng tubig. So, yan ang filter. Ganda pa. Ganda. Technique daw. Siyempre, unahin ko muna yung sa face. Gamit ko. Tada! So, mga kinaadikan ko ngayon mga Japanese product. Sa face muna. Yan natin ito. Sobrang hirap. Ayan. Bakit kailangan i-wash yung mga lashes? Kasi nagkakaroon din daw ng mga mites. Mites ba doon? O mga, basta parang mga parang garapata yun. So, kailangan iwasan natin. Ano ba to? Siyempre, walang baby. Kailangan 2 pump daw. So, tingnan natin kung mag-work. Taray! So, baby product. Tapos, mild. So, dapat hindi mahapdi sa mata, no? Ay, na-miss ko to. Tingnan natin kung may matatanggal. Guys, mahapdi siya. O dahil nahalo lang siya sa ano. Nahalo siya doon sa skin product na linagay ko. Mata. Okay. Again. So, kung parang hindi ka pa satisfied, so try nga ulit natin. 2 pumps. Tapos, i-massage sa mata or sa balik mata. Ayan. Hindi, guys. Hindi. So, tapos, i-comb nyo lang. Ako. Ayan. So, total, matutulog lang naman. Hindi ko na kailangan i-blow dry. Pero, syempre, mas advisable nga daw na i-blow dry. Syempre, dun sa cold temperature. Yan. Hirap magpaganda, guys. Day 3 and after work, time check around 11. Ayan, buhay na buhay pa mata. Goes up. Konting brush lang. Yun. First time na may nahulog. Hala. Kasama yan tayong pilik mata ko. Me trying to test the lashes. Ayan. Day 7. Okay. Ganda pa din. And they look more natural now. Day... Oh, second week. Ay, hindi na pala day. Second week, check. Ayan. Outdoor naman tayo, so you can check. Medyo natural looking na talaga siya kasi ang dami na ng nalagas. Even my natural lashes, ayan. But still, di ba? Pwede pa pang rampa. See, even without a brows done, pwede. Ayan. Hi guys! Week 3, week 3 na tayo ngayon. And check lang natin yung lashes. Ayan, 'di ba? Guys, hindi ko lang siya yung kinukusot talaga kapag winawash. Pero yan running water talagang rinarab ko pa yan, sinashampoo ko pa yung mga lashes ko. Which is hindi ko naman ginagawa noon. Pero ngayon talaga ay masasabi kong the best. The best ang naglagay ng aking mga lashes. Ayan. Although medyo nakaka-heartbreak yung mga moments na kapag binabrush nyo sila or kapag hindi nyo maiwasan na parang napapascratch kayo ng eyes, may mga nalalagas. Pero di bale, sabi nila, normal nga lang daw yan, parang mga hair fall. So, may mga hair fall din sa lashes. At mag-grow din yan. So, yun. Update, week 3. Hi guys! It's official, 1 month na yung mga lashes natin. Sobrang malabong pa. Ayan. So, kung talagang nilalagay nyo ng TLC, maglalas ang mga lashes. Hi guys! Day, a month and 2 weeks natin salamin. Ayan, makikita nyo, ayan, super nipis na and talagang kailangan ng ma-refill. Pero, pack na pack pa rin, pwede mo pa siyang i-flaunt. Ang dami ko pa rin nare-receive na compliment na ang ganda para lang akong naka-eyeliner or you're wearing a makeup. Diba? So, compared doon sa wala at naka-mascara lang, ito, buhay na buhay pa rin ang mga mata nyo. Very satisfied client lang talaga ako. Ayan. So, let's see. Although, every day, kapag nag-wash na ng eyes, mas napapadalas na, mas frequent na yung mga fall ng lashes. But it's okay. Sabi ni nga, nung naglagay, CJ said, it's normal process, parang hair. So, talagang kailangan naglalagas yan. So, yun lang. Paano ba? Ayan. Kita pa. Thank you for watching this episode and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe.